Do these 10 things to overcome depression naturally. Scientific new discoveries. Depression is a serious mental health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It can lead to persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and a lack of interest or pleasure in daily activities. While professional help is crucial, there are several evidence-based strategies that can help manage depression. Here are 10 scientifically backed actions to take when dealing with depression. 1. Exercise regularly. Scientific proof. Regular physical activity has been consistently shown to improve mood and alleviate symptoms of depression. Exercise increases the production of endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, and promotes the release of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which play key roles in mood regulation. Action plan. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as walking, jogging, or swimming, most days of the week. Even activities like gardening or dancing can be beneficial. 2. Maintain a healthy diet. Scientific proof. Nutrition plays a significant role in mental health. Diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats have been linked to higher rates of depression, while diets rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce symptoms. Action plan. Incorporate a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your diet. Consider foods like leafy greens, berries, nuts, seeds, fish, and lean meats. Avoid excessive consumption of sugary snacks and processed foods. 3. Get adequate sleep. Scientific proof. Sleep disturbances are common in individuals with depression. Poor sleep can exacerbate depressive symptoms and create a vicious cycle. Adequate, high-quality sleep is essential for emotional regulation and overall mental health. Action plan. Establish a regular sleep schedule, aiming for 7-9 hours of sleep per night. Create a calming bedtime routine, avoid screens before bed, and make your sleep environment comfortable and conducive to rest. 4. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Scientific proof. Mindfulness-based practices and meditation have been shown to reduce symptoms of depression by promoting relaxation, improving emotional regulation, and decreasing rumination. They help shift focus from negative thoughts to the present moment. Action plan. Incorporate mindfulness or meditation into your daily routine. Even just 10-20 minutes a day can make a significant difference. Guided meditations and mindfulness apps can be useful starting points. 5. Stay connected with others. Scientific proof. Social support is a crucial factor in mental health. Isolation and loneliness can worsen depression, while maintaining connections with friends, family, or support groups can provide emotional support and reduce feelings of isolation. Action plan. Reach out to friends or family members regularly. Join a support group, either in person or online, to connect with others who understand what you're going through. 6. Engage in hobbies and activities you enjoy. Scientific proof. Engaging in pleasurable activities can counteract depressive symptoms by providing a sense of accomplishment and joy. Behavioral activation, which involves scheduling and engaging in enjoyable activities, is a proven therapeutic approach. Action plan. Make a list of activities you enjoy or used to enjoy. Schedule time for these activities each week, even if you don't feel like it initially. This can include anything from painting, reading, cooking, or playing a sport. 7. Seek professional help. Scientific proof. Therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) and interpersonal therapy (IPT) have strong evidence supporting their effectiveness in treating depression. Additionally, medications such as antidepressants can be beneficial for many individuals. Action plan. Consult with a mental health professional to discuss your symptoms and explore treatment options. Therapy and medication, either separately or combined, can provide significant relief. 8. Limit alcohol and avoid drugs. Scientific proof. Alcohol and recreational drugs can negatively affect mood and mental health. Substance abuse can lead to dependency and exacerbate depressive symptoms, creating a detrimental cycle. Action plan: limit or avoid alcohol and recreational drugs. If you find it challenging to cut down, consider seeking support from a healthcare provider or a support group focused on substance abuse. 9. Set realistic goals and prioritize tasks. Scientific proof: setting and achieving small, realistic goals can help build a sense of accomplishment and improve self-esteem. Depression can make even simple tasks feel overwhelming, so breaking tasks into manageable steps is essential. Action plan: write down a list of tasks and prioritize them. Start with small, achievable goals, and gradually work your way up to larger ones. Celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. 10. Practice self-compassion. Scientific proof: self-compassion involves being kind to oneself during times of suffering or perceived failure. Research has shown that self-compassion can buffer against depression by reducing self-criticism and promoting emotional resilience. Action plan: treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer to a friend. Practice positive self-talk, acknowledge your struggles, and remind yourself that it's okay to seek help and take time to heal. Conclusion: depression is a multifaceted condition that requires a comprehensive approach for management. While these 10 strategies are backed by scientific evidence, it's essential to remember that what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, it's crucial to consult with healthcare professionals to tailor a plan that suits your specific needs. Combining professional treatment with these self-help strategies can provide a solid foundation for managing depression and improving overall mental well-being.